spot. Time check 6:18. Tignan natin kung makakauli tayo ng ganitong oras sa bagong spot natin ng Trevally. Pag wala tayong mahuli dyan na Trevally, mag ultralight na lang tayo. Same spot din dyan. Okay, around the intersection of San Jose Beach Road, Saipan, USA. Ayan. I have to yield here. Okay, clear, so proceed. Tingnan natin kung makakahuli tayo dito. Mayroon na tayo, may mas maaga na sa atin sa spot na to. Ayun, Angular Ariel, maaga pa siya sa atin. Kailangan malaman natin kung saan yung mga clear spot. Saan tayo pwede mag-casting. Okay, suot lang tayo ng ano natin, sun protection natin. Oh, right on. Set up tayo mga masters. Okay, yun, no, dami nating gamit. So, lagay tayo ng leg sun protection natin sa paa, kasi baka mangitim yung malaporsilanan nating legs. Malaporsilanang legs, natadtad ng pexlats, you know. White tayo ngayon, white. One. Okay, right on. Set up natin is ito sa this one. Right on. This one. Box, then shades. Oh, where's the shades? Right on. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, the road. Yan siya, dito naman tayo sa kaliwa. Kita na yung saan tayo pwede mag-gas doon. Dito naman tayo dyan, dyan. Try natin dito. Okay, ayun. So Mahiwagang condom bait. Bumili tayo ng mga natin kahapon, sa araw pala. Okay, then wait natin. Close it. There you go. Okay. Check drag. Oh. Wait. I don't think na may emperor na ngayong kaaga, pero natin. Ayo. First cast. Go. Ayun na. Low tide pa nito. +7 ang high tide. May mga nagpipishing na rin pala dun. Sabihin, marami na talagang nagkakas sa umaga dito na. Oh boy. Oh shit. There you go. Come on boy, strike. Come on boy. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy, get it. Get it boy. Get it boy. Oh boy. Our first strike here. On second cast. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't get unhooked boy, come on. Let's do it. Oh boy. There you go. Okay. Okay, our first trevally. Just small one. Iron. I'm gonna put here. Okay. Yan ka lang muna. Okay. Gonna get the box. Let's do it again, my boy. Oh, look at this. Look at this, full of fish. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Look at that, boy. It's what you call this, catfish school. Okay. Let's do it again, my boy. Morning. Alright, so just change our hook in our bait. Wow. Oh my boy. Okay, there you go. There you go, my boy. Hook it up. Hook up, my boy. Hook up, my boy. Let's go. Just a small one. Just a small one, my boy. Come on. Come on, my boy. Yeah. A small trevally. Baby trevally, but strong fighter, my boy. There. Strong fighter. Here you go. Okay. Stay here, my boy. So we have landed two over here, just a small one. Oh, look at this. Look at this school of fish there. There. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Once they, oh, there you go. That's a lot, man. Look at that. See, a lot of catfish. Nice. Okay, let's cast it again. Oh boy. There you go. There you go, my boy. Ah, it's a little bit big. A little bit big, my boy. Is it on record? Yeah, on record. Oh, oh, just a small one. Palos already. Palos already, my boy. Oh, let's try to land this one. Let's try to land this one, my boy. There you go. Okay. Just a small one. Okay. Oh, the sizes of trevally here are small, but it's good. Good size. Right on. There you go. We land 3 already. A good size. Our hook are it's kinda what you call this, not sharp anymore. But okay, let's do it again. Let's try on that side. Okay. This is how we set up our bait. Okay, watch it closely. There. There you go. And get the scissor. And cut it like that. Like that. Okay. There you go. Okay, ready? Good. Then that's how it looked like. There you go. Oh, it's not yet cut the other one. Yeah. Oh, it's not yet cut. Let's cut it. Cut it out like that. Boom. Okay, let's do it again. On this side, that's a clear part. So cast there. Let's try it here. Morning kabayan. May huli na? Pa? Oo. Oh, mamaya pa yan, mga pagkatangali.
Nakadali na?
Tatlong maliliit lang. Casting lang. Pang live bait. Oo. Oh, malaki talakitok dito, nangahabol. Okay. Try here. Sana hindi tayo mag-get stuck. Oh shit, yun. There you go. Homeboy. This is a big one. I think so. It's a big one. It's a big one. Just a good size maybe. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh no. Nig, babike ka magayam. Alright, chat, okay, thank you. Yeah. Quantum bait. Yeah, we got strike. We got 4 already. There you go. Good one. Good size. Okay. Okay, hooks still sharp, so let's do it again. Wah. Ha? Ano lang, condom bait? Oo. Condom lang na ginupit-gupit. Oo. Parang din kasi yan eh. Oh yun. Ayun oh. Wow. Oh. Oh shit. Oh likaw. Laki yata konti to. Oh sana hindi mahanok. Loss natin konti yung drag natin. Sana. Ayan oh. Oh maliit lang pero malakas sumatak talaga. Ayan oh. There you go. Ikat. Oo, talakitok din.
Talakitok.
Oo. Ano. There you go.
Ano na pala yung kondom?
Kondom lang.
Palang ano, panay hagis ka eh, hindi pala natatanggal ko pa.
Oo. Casting lang. Get this plastic bag. We can utilize this. Because we don't have plastic bag, so we use this one. Use this one. Okay.
Hawal yung talakita ba? Dalawa.
Try over there again. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ayun. Oh niko. You just taste it again, my boy. Oh. Oh. You just taste it. Oh. Oh my boy. There you go. Nice one. See? Nice one, my boy. Alright. Oh, land 6 already. Okay, try it again. This portion. There you go. There you go, my friend. Alright, hook up. There you go. Come on. There you go. Oh, what's this? Small one. Oh, it's a trigger fish. It's a trigger fish. There you go. Look at that. What the? Okay. Hook still okay. Got 3 over there. And then our catch here. See? Okay, this is our catch now. 2, 4, 6 good sized trevally. There you go. Five, 6. Sit. Alright. Again. One more on the side, okay? Oh, that's the one. Oh boy. Oh, good. Only hook. Let's see. Oh, there. Just the hook. I can change it. There you go. Maybe that's the end of our fishing session. At least we caught here 6. There you go. Okay. Maybe we're gonna come back for ultralight fishing a little bit late. Okay, let's go. A lot of fishermen are using ultralight. I think this is JB Saipan Escapade. Morning, Master JB. Morning, morning. Long time no see ah. UL? Nag-UL ka? Ayun o, namit natin si Master JB ulit. Ayan o. Oh. Ayos yan.
Wala kang zero talaga dyan.
Kailangan lang talaga familiar ka sa lugar na to.
Walang zero talaga sa kondom.
Masabit lang pre. Ayan, ang huli natin dito sa W. Oh, I only caught 6 good sized trevally, and then we got snug, so we stopped casting. So time check 8:15, so that's it. Alright, so that's the end of our fishing session for today, Saturday, and we only land 6 good size trevally, just small sizes. Right on. Oh.